Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about one money management strategy. With this strategy, we can unblock some amount during the bear markets, which can be used to recover the losses, and also this money can be useful for the trading as well. Okay, before going into the video details, this is the standard disclaimer. Be mindful of it. And also in the strategy, whatever I am discussing, we can efficiently use the money during the bear markets, and also it will help us to pick the stocks at the bottom level. Okay, the strategy simple thing is, let me explain you. Let's take a case by case. Okay, you are having the 10 lakhs capital, 10 lakhs capital. Okay, from the 10 lakhs capital, 33 percentage. What is the 33 percentage? The 33 percentage means 3.3 lakhs. Okay, if the 3.3 lakhs goes from the 10 lakhs, right, remaining amount is going to be the 67 percentage, which is 6.7 lakhs. Okay, you can use this money for the investments or trading in the stocks. Okay, this 3.3 lakhs, right, 2 lakhs you can invest into the gold bees, and 1.3 lakh, or you can use all 3 lakhs, 3.3 lakhs into the gold bees, or you can divide into two portions, and one is in the gold bees and the other one you can invest into the silver. Okay, so with this, right, let's take, okay, how I follow the my strategy is, okay, last year you know I experimented with this and it seems worked out. Okay, what I did was, when the market was at peak, right, or mid of the peak, about to peak, okay, I invested 3 lakh, which is 30% of my capital, into the gold bees. Okay, during the bottom out, when the market is getting bottom out, right, that means whenever the correction is there in the market, money will be taken out from the market and pumped to the gold and silver. Okay, parked into this area. So in that case, right, during this market correction, the this gold and silver goes to go up actually. So you may get good returns. Okay, whenever you feel like market is bottomed out, you have to sell this gold and silver. Okay, regardless of price. Okay, I don't think I don't look for the price. Okay, now gold is trading at 71 or 70. I sold out 2 weeks ago, which is at 68, I think 68 or somewhere. I sold out. Okay, to freeze my money, I wanted to use this money. Okay, for the market downside, I wanted to invest. Okay, let's say for example, market 20% market got correction. In this 20% correction, right, if you are able to figure out few stocks which are fallen 50%, some fundamental stocks, fundamentally good stocks, okay, some small caps or mid cap stocks which fallen 50 percentage, with some reasons, various reasons, okay, 50 percentage, or for the sake of 30 percentage also fine. Okay, let's say a stock which is trading at 1000 rupees, okay, with some reasons fallen to the 500. Now, now you entered the stock 50,000 rupees from this 6.6 lakhs investment. Okay, from the 6.6 lakhs, for example, some stock I am taking, one stock, some X1 stock, which is 50k I invested. The stock fallen, corrected to the 50 percentage, which means my capital become 25k. Okay, now another stock, X2 stock, also I have not taken any entry. For example, Deepak Nitrate, or trade, it was trading at 3000, it fallen to the 1800, or for the sake, for the calculation purpose, you can tell 1500. Okay, if the stock from the 50% correction, if the stock comes for the 50% correction, let's say 3000 rupees stock, okay, came for the 50% correction, which is currently 1500. Okay, now you are having the 3.3 lakhs capital here. Okay, previously some X1 stock you lost 25k, 25k. Now X2 stock you felt like this is the discounted price, you got it here. Okay, you got it here for the same 50,000 rupees, something like that. Okay, 50k, for the sake 50k you bought it. Now let's say market started reversal, this 15k, it previously it was like 3000, now 15k, we don't want to go more than this 3000. Okay, just recover to this level, previous level. You took at the bottom level, 50k become 1500, is going to become 3000. In that case, your investment 50k is going to become 1 lakh rupees, right? 1 lakh rupees. That means this 3.3 lakh rupees, you are able to figure out 30 to 50% correction stocks which recovers to the same level. There is a probability of making 60 to 80% return in this bear market if the market recovers. Okay, that means for the 3 lakh rupees, 8% means you are going to get 2.5 lakh profit. Okay, for the previously 6.6 lakh you invested at the peak in the market, which fallen, now it become like 3 lakh rupees, or 3 lakh rupees. Now once again market rise, during this market this 3 lakh rupees recovered up to 6 lakhs or 5 lakh. Let's say your 6.6 lakhs investment become like a 5 lakh now, after the market recovery. So here you made the 2.5 lakh, here 1.5 lakh is loss is there, still it is not recovered, because some stocks which you picked may not be, okay, recovered so quickly. In the worst case 1.5 lakh loss is there, still 1.5 lakh loss is there. Here you made with this 3.3 lakh, right, 80% return you made, which is going to be the 2.5 lakh. Still you are going to make 1 lakh profit, which is 10% equal to the fixed deposit. For the 10 lakh rupees investment in the gold, when the market was at the peak, you entered into the gold might have given the 10%, For the 30,000, for the 3 lakh rupees, 10% is around 30,000 rupees profit you got. Okay, now you exited from this and made this 2.5 lakh, which is going to be the 2.8 lakhs profit. Okay, here your loss not recovered yet. Even though your loss is not recovered, you made 2.8 here. Even 2 lakhs not recovered means, okay, still you will be profit of 80k. Okay, for the 10 lakh investment, 80k is the 8% returns, which is equal to the FD, right? So like this, you can still able to make the money with the strategy. Okay, the strategy is very simple. Whenever the market is at the peak, okay, exit few stocks. Whatever the stocks you are having the profitable stocks, exit, take the entry into the gold. What percentage you have to exit? 30% or 33% you can exit and take the gold. This is the number one, step one. Okay, now remaining 7.7 lakhs, right? Remaining 6.7 lakhs you left in the market. In the worst case, it fallen continuously, it fallen. The 6.7 it become like 5 lakh. Market corrected 20% means around 20 to 30% you will get the loss in this, right? More than that, market falls 20%, you mean, okay, your portfolio may be going to down by 30%. Always it is the like this. Okay, for the 6.7 or 7 lakhs, for the calculation purpose, 2.1 lakh is 2 lakhs, around 2 lakhs is your loss, right? You are having the 2 lakhs loss during this market fall. Now this gold, when the market is falling, gold intend to rise, right? Let's assume like this gold 3.3 lakhs you invested, which has given the 10% returns, which is 30k profit. Now you booked this 30k profit, kept aside. Now your capital you are having 3.6 lakhs, 3.3 plus this 30k, around 3.5. For the calculation purpose I make round figure, 3.5 is there. Okay, now 3.5 lakh you invested the stock, which has fallen 30 to 50% in the market, fundamentally good stock. With this 7 to 8 stocks or 10 stocks. Okay, now whatever the stocks it fallen 30 to 50%, let's say it recovered. Okay, if the stock fallen 1000 rupees stock falls to the 50 percentage, okay, you entered at the 500, it recovered back to the 1000. How much you got for the 50% fall stock? If you enter at the 50% level, once it recovers, you are going to make 100% returns. Okay, if that is the case, if any stock you captured at 30% downside, the stock recovered back, you are going to make the 60% return, right? Like this, in average, if you are able to make the returns around 50 to 80% at the bottom peaks with this capital, without disturbing, let it be loss without disturbing this. If 2 lakhs loss was there, when market started recovery, maybe 10% recovery is there, still you are going to become a 1.5 lakh loss you are for the initial investment. Okay, with the new investment you made 50% returns here. Minimum for the 3.5 lakh, 50% means 1.7 lakh you made. Okay, here still 1.5 lakh loss is there, still you are going to be the profit by end of the year, even though if it is bear market. Okay, this is one of the money management strategy one should follow. Okay, don't put all the money into the stock market always. Okay, you in the stocks, I mean stock market in the sense stock. Okay, keep some calculative amount, 33 percentage amount or 30 percentage amount into gold. When the market falls, this is intended to rise, or somewhere in the FDs or some liquid funds. So somewhere you can park some amount, okay, which can be accessible for you. When the market becomes the bottom out, you withdraw amount from here, and here you exit from here, make some capital which is half of the capital of this money which is you blocked in the market. 6.5 lakh you blocked in this market, at least half. Okay, if this recovery happens, which is going to become like 7 to 8 lakhs, okay, from this if you are able to make at least 30 to 40%, 50 percentage, if you make 1.5 lakh, okay, still your money is retained back to your 10 lakh rupees, even though if it is bear market. Okay, this is the strategy, very simple strategy, money management strategy one should follow if you wanted to survive in the market. Okay, this is what the my idea I implemented this market fall. Okay, still I am having the capital in my hand. Okay, and one more thing is, when you exit this, let's say you exited in the wrong timing. Okay, wrong timing. You thought like 22,000 is the reversal point. Okay, you exited the gold, but after that also, one time you should not take the entry. Okay, multiple entries you have to take. Okay, some 30% entry, once again 30%, remaining 30%. Okay, some base recovery point you have to figure out 2 3 points. Like, okay, I was telling, right, 21,800 to 21,100 is my range where we can start buying the market. This was the range I felt is the recovery point. Okay, this is how we should manage the money. As long as you manage this money, okay, even though market falls, no need to bring the loans, no need to bring your money from your salary, no need to bring from extra sources, all those things. Okay, within this whatever the capital you are having, you can manage these things by having the good money management strategy in your hand. Okay, that's all friends, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.